How to find hidden apps on Mac. To find hidden apps on a Mac, you can follow these steps. First of all, ensure the hidden files are not visible in Launchpad. And if you see there is no apps option available in the Launchpad, then here we are with some options available. First of all, the best option in order to find hidden apps is Spotlight Search. All you have to do is tap on the command and spacebar together, and this will show Spotlight Search on your desktop, and all you have to do is enter the app names by simply typing on it. Now hit command and spacebar. Now enter the app's name. I'm simply typing down the Anaconda Navigator, and it will show up on your Spotlight Search. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.